Today's a good day to go ride on the boat.
Yeah.
Wait, where'd our boat go?
Huh? Did someone take it?
Who took it out on the lake? Do you think the game master might have done it?
Most likely.
Let's go to our big boat and drive to go look for it then.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go look for it.
Wait, our boat is gone too.
Kaycee, this isn't where our dock is.
Then where is it?
It's over there. Walk
Oh.
down more.
Let's check.
Good thing our boat's still here.
Wait, why is it so messy?
We'll worry about that later. We can clean it up later. First, we need to go look for our speedboat.
Yeah. Hurry, hurry, Chloe, let's go.
All right, I'm going. Slowly, but surely.
See any boats out there, Chloe?
No, not yet. Hey, we're out in the middle of the lake. No.
Chloe, you're gonna hit
Am I
that.
supposed to?
No.
Oh. I thought it was okay if you ran over it. It's a fresh day out here, right, Kaycee?
Yeah.
Too bad we have to clean up the boat a bit.
Yeah. Ah. Where are we going now?
We're going to look for Game Master. We don't really see any boat out here. Kaycee, wake up. We have to go look for it.
Oh.
Let's clean up instead now.
Okay. Hey, it's so cold.
Where are you sleeping?
It's cold.
Let's clean up this area now. The rope first.
What's that noise and why is this thing moving?
Anything there? Is that Game Master hiding there?
Let's try something.
Maybe something just mysterious. Anyways, climb!
Let it go. Whoa, tie.
Climb up higher. Wait, sit on this.
Let it go. Okay, I'm going down. You want to try?
Alright, let's clean up some more now.
Take a
What are you here for?
Oh, because I was at the boat all along.
For what reason?
Oh, it was because of fresh air.
Oh, okay. Just to go slide into the lake.
No, I don't want to get wet. I flickered.
That's what happened to yourself. Okay, rotate. Kaycee's at the top. I'm in the middle. She's at the bottom. Get up there.
I could not balance. I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall.
The wind and the waves are so strong, they're probably going to end up pushing us to the land later.
Oh my god. Just a sit.
Okay, put Kaycee in the middle because Otis is
Jesse, your side is fine. Don't hold it for Justin because Justin and I hold it for me. I took the rest of it.
Whee!
I don't know.
We're getting pretty close to the land now. Let's drive around and look for Game Master. So see, we're so close to the land, so we have to drive out so we don't hit those people. Hey, why are you turning so much? Why are you turning so much? You guys see the Game Master? Look at how Justin's playing.
Let me get higher to look for the Game Master. It's hard to get on. Is Game Master here? I don't see any boat out here.
We don't see any boats out here. Maybe the Game Master might be hiding, so we're gonna stop and play a game. We'll stop here. Maybe the Game Master might drive by. Let's get a game. Where he goes? Let's play a game.
What game should we play?
Let's play first one to jump in the lake wins.
Huh? No. Like boat.
Let's play a different game then.
What game?
Let's play this hyper toss game.
Oh, good idea.
This is called hyper toss. This is how we're gonna play it. We have a hyper toss ball, and whatever color the hyper toss calls out, we'll try and catch it.
Red? No! Ah! Ah! I suck.
Am I gonna do even worse though? Throw it off the boat.
Yeah.
37.94 seconds.
Okay, 39.4
No, it's
seconds.
37.
3, 2, 1. Red. Red.
See, I'm much better.
Green. Blue.
Definitely better than nothing.
Score 22.7.
22!
How?
How?
Going first place, going first. Someone in the wood right there. Could it be Game Master? Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna drive with the boat over there. Where is it, Kaycee?
Yeah, I saw it back there somewhere. You did? Yeah.
Careful. Behind any of the trees.
What?
Where'd that come from?
Get on the left. What are we talking about? Okay, what could it be? Look, there's a big old wheel. Big rock.
Ah!
The towel bag. Clearly, I saw someone in this area earlier. Come on, Dustin.
Punch the stick. Okay, come on this way. Careful.
It's a path.
Is that Game Master right there? Game Master, where's our boat?
Get in! Get in! Get in! Ah.
I see some bottles around here.
Maybe Game Master's right there.
Which way did he go? Why he disappeared so fast? I see another bottle there too.
Did he go somewhere high in the wood over here?
I'm not sure, but I don't want to go that way. I don't think we should chase him anymore.
Okay.